Hey guys, this is Michael with Quiet Lawn. I just wanted to share that we've just purchased one of the newest Ego Select Cut XP mowers, the one with the speed IQ and the display. One of our crest mowers that we've been using for a couple seasons, the transmission just went out and we don't have a backup for it, so I had to run out to Lowe's and purchase a mower while we're waiting on our new replacement mowers from Crest. But I've been wanting to try one of these Select Cut mowers for a couple years. I've never tried any of the Ego Select Cut mowers, so I ended up going with the big one. I believe it was $9.99 plus tax from Lowe's, and it comes with a 12 amp hour battery. But I'm excited to give this a try. I hope it's more durable than some of the other Ego equipment and batteries that I've gotten feedback on. But I'm gonna go ahead and unbox it. Okay, I've got everything out of the box, and just like most Ego mowers, comes with most of the same contents. This model, to be specific, is the LM2167 SP. You can see it comes with a bagger, which we'll throw away because we don't bag our grass in the south with our warm season grass. Comes with a side discharge, which I like because they didn't have that with the older Ego models that I've had, and I've never used that before. The 12 amp hour battery, I've also never used one of those. One of the turbochargers, which we won't use because I don't want to degrade the batteries any faster, so we'll use just the regular chargers. But that is cool that they have that. A couple different blades. Looks like it has maybe a bagging blade and maybe one of the blades for a longer run time. I'm not sure. And I think that's it. The instructions. This little thing looks like it mounts on the mower. I don't know what that is. Maybe to hold tools or to hold your phone or something like that. But anyways, I'm going to charge the batteries on this thing. I'm going to send it out with the guys, and we will shoot some content for you guys so you can see this thing in action. And after we put a good 100 hours or so on it, we'll go ahead and do a full review on it. But thanks for watching.